Hello, my friends. I am so happy to announce that my online course is now for you here, free to watch. Come and learn with me.
Hello and welcome to my Fluid Art and Fiber Fusion course. I'm Lucy from Macramé Elegance, and I am thrilled to have you join me on this creative journey as we explore innovative ways of creating stunning, mixed media, beautiful wall art. Now, I haven't shared any of these secrets to anyone so far, so you will be among the first to master these groundbreaking methods. So, together, we'll learn to create beautiful paintings using the bloom and swipe technique in fluid art, and then we'll combine them with macrame knotting to create a truly unique fiber art masterpiece. You'll learn how to varnish your artwork, cut it precisely to your pattern, and then seamlessly blend it with macrame cords to produce these one-of-a-kind pieces of work. And by the end of this course, you will have a beautifully lined on the back, professionally finished work of art. So, are you ready? Let's get started. And love, peace, and joy to you from me.